Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you can hear me. Please give me feedback if you can hear me. You see, I already took these trades here. Like one trade was beautiful. Now, let me know if you can hear me. Then I'm gonna do the pre-market analysis, and soon my friend's gonna join too. I'm gonna invite him now. But yeah, let me know if you can hear me. Also, I have music now. Why doesn't it write? Jeez. Can you hear me? Please respond. Please send a message in the chat. Ah, you can hear me. Thank you so much. All right, let's start. Actually, I don't need these, I think. No. And if the music is too loud, you just tell me. I can turn it down. All right, let's do the pre-market analysis. I'm going to remove these trades now and my executions. Otherwise, it's too messy. All right. So let's start on the daily. This, by the way, NASDAQ futures. Do you remember yesterday I was talking about going short once it takes out this high? But I had, okay, music lower. Okay, I'm gonna lower it just a second. Let me know if it's better. So yesterday I said I wanted to go short once it takes out this high. It got taken out a little later. Obviously, we had a reaction here as well, but then I had to leave, so I was not trading anymore. Also, I had 3 wins, so I didn't want to lose anything. But as you can see, it reacted exactly on this level. This doesn't mean it's going to straight up dump here. It's possible that this was already the bottom wick for today, and that at the open, which is in 10 minutes, it's going to push up higher. That's possible. So that this candle also closes bullish. Oh, my friend is here. Need to add him here.
There we go. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm doing the pre-market analysis here.
Yeah, I got you live on my YouTube. So
remember yesterday we said, or I said shorts here, but now it's possible that this daily candle closes bullish too. We don't know. We still have this imbalance to fill. I would say once it closes below here, then there's a very high chance price is going to close, like it's going to be a bearish day. We could have this as a target for longs and for shorts somewhere here. So now let's go to the 4 hour. So here was the liquidity. And you see it's also on the 4-hour fair value gap. We can maybe refine it a little bit. So we have to watch this zone. So either we bounce from here and go up here, or let me take this here. Yeah, either we bounce from here and go higher, or we grab internal liquidity during the New York Stock Exchange open, which would be here, and then go lower, close below, and maybe get a break and retest. So I'm trying to draw these scenarios here. How? So maybe we get this, or maybe we get something like this. These are the scenarios that I see, but obviously this is the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to remove this for now. Just two. Also, in case someone is here from the Trade Pilot Instagram, I said you can ask me questions about the bot. You can do this in the chat, but please let's wait for like after the New York Stock Exchange open. This would be a valid buy zone too, because we have liquidity here and here. I always need liquidity to be taken to the downside before I go long, and vice versa for shorts. Now, maybe let's Spencer, what's your take on the day?
All right, let me switch over to my screen.
You want to switch it? You can share your screen.
Yeah, I was sharing your stream, but I'm gonna switch it to my charts now.
Yeah, switch to your charts, and I'm going to share it here.
So beautiful long, by the way, this morning. Tim caught this long after we took out these lows.
Wait a second. Wait a second. We cannot see your screen. Why is it not visible?
It's not?
No.
Oh, you're talking about on the stream. Hold on. How do I share? Present? Slide, share screen. There we go. There we go.
No, it doesn't show. Here. Okay.
Got it?
Boom. Oh, we're so professional now.
I love it. Love it. All right. So, yeah, you got on NAS these longs basically from the Tokyo, actually way below. Hold on one sec. Let me turn this off. From these lows, and then swept the Tokyo highs up here for a nice dump down. We're kind of just in this tight range right here. So it is Friday. I'm going to really look for, if we're going to go bullish, I would love to get what I missed yesterday, which is my favorite trade, or my favorite, playbook trade is the Tokyo bounce or Tokyo reject play. So if we're going long and we push up, I want to see this pullback and bounce off Tokyo high in confluence with if VWAP or an EMA can like kind of be right around this same level as the Tokyo high when it bounces to give it that much more support. I would love longs right off that. So that's what I'm going to be looking for the longs. As far as the shorts go, we already got the sweep up here. So if we just drop right off the open, I'm going to be looking for some type of lower high to be created, or even some type of break and retest of a New York low or London, the London low, the pre-market low. Pretty simple, straightforward. That's all I really got though. Other than that, we're just gonna let more of the market develop, and I'll definitely probably wait for the opening range to finish playing out the first 15 minutes, try and gauge where we're going to be headed. But I'm really liking it for the Bulls. Definitely, that's like my A+ play trade for today. It's going to be that Tokyo bounce play. As you can see yesterday, unfortunately, I missed out on this. Wait, oh, I'm on Naz, my bad. Here we go. So this has been happening very frequently, and it's, if you guys ever see this happen, Tokyo high, if it's trending out of Tokyo and we have yet to pull back into the Tokyo, or like haven't retested the level and we're trending nicely, and it comes down right off the open and gets the bounce along with a VWAP or an AMA, mainly the VWAP. Every time it happens with the VWAP right off the open, it's just a continuation play. It's just trapping sellers before the continuation. And then every single time I've seen this happen, it's worked 100% of the time. I've never seen it fail. So that's something you guys should definitely put in your playbook, Tokyo bounce play. And vice versa, it could work for trailing down to take a sell. If it pops out of the Tokyo during London and then New York opens and pulls back into the Tokyo low, you can take sells. So, oops, that is what I'll be looking for as far as longs. And yeah, still have my higher time frame outlook, which is basically, I was showing Tim yesterday on NQ, we've been holding the day on this 50 period, and I really would love to see when this breaks. As you can see, ES is still far away from its 50 period. So when NQ breaks that 50 period, we're going to have all that room to go run down to the daily 50 period on ES. So that would be my short, like taking shorts all the way down to here on ES is going to be very, very nice. Once that does happen, whether it's today, most likely not today, that would be a really big day. Maybe Monday. Even though today on the probabilities calendar, we do have a very, very low chance. It's like 27% chance of closing green on the day. So with that being said, I can definitely see a potential sweep of the highs on ES and NQ at some point, maybe right off the open. We go up, sweep some highs, and then have a sell day potentially. So if you do see us move directly up and we get buys off the open, look for some type of sweep of the highs. And if that occurs, you can definitely, I would expect a sell day to come in. And that is what I'm looking for, my thesis and bias going into the day. But really, every day I come into the market, I'm really just looking for market to develop more and give me more key clues in order to come up with a good entry. And we're going to try and snipe an entry this morning. Let's get it. Let's go, guys. Stoked to end the week with a banger. Alrighty. You can take your screen back. I'm going to
All right.
change this real quick.
Like this.
There you go. Alrighty.
So 10 seconds is open. All right, so we're rejecting the day open, the true day open. We took out the pre-market high. And we're forming probably an FU candle. I don't get it here. Oh. Is this valid for you, Spencer? When now it forms an FU candle, is this also Tokyo bounce or not? Short. Is he muted?
Maybe you can hear me. Can you hear me?
Sorry, yeah, I had you.
Yeah, I was just saying exactly what I explained. I wanted ES to do. Go sweep the highs. NASDAQ did it, but ES hasn't moved at all. So yes, I would have taken that short on NAS.
Yeah.
If I was paying attention.
Yeah, but it didn't form an FU candle yet, so I'm still waiting.
Yeah, it was just a quick sweep basically. But we got calls off the open. I mean, buys off the open, and then swept the high.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, ES is still way at the bottom. The more and more we're trading together, the more you're leaning me towards NAS. I'm like, keep getting kind of screwed on ES lately. I like the music though. I was trying to say that, but I was muted.
Yeah, man, we're getting better and better.
Yeah, it sounds very relaxing. So keep my mind at ease. Oh wait, that's wrong. A little bit of nice little scalp short on NAS for sure. Crazy.
Bro, can you, I'm not sure if you can, when you go to your, how do I explain it? Like you see yourself on the screen, it just says S trades. Can you go there and to the three dots and you go to, where is it? Because you can actually change your picture. You can put your picture.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, I don't know how this works.
Here, I think I could video files.
Because I cannot add it to you. Very strange.
So I just want to explain. ES didn't get that push up, but we did sweep the pre-market low, and now we're pushing up. So that was actually, you could have sniped an entry right there. But the continuation is very
Nice.
a little delayed, but we shall see.
Okay, I see here more like a breakout, the upside forming, but it didn't give me an entry signal yet. So this would be the most risky entry, the 1 minute FU candle. If it closes above, I'm going to take it with small size.
Oh, there's 1 minute FU candle. I see that.
It's obviously very risky. You cannot risk a full percent usually on a 1 minute FU candle. It's kind of stupid, but it didn't close as an FU candle yet. I just wait. Ah, okay, it closed as a 3 minute FU candle. So I'm gonna take it with small size. And here below this wick, I have another buy limit.
That looks like yes, it's gonna push above VWAP. There it goes.
But now I could obviously form a bearish one. We will see.
I'm gonna be looking for a trade entry around 8:50, like right around that 9 o'clock area. That's where I've been finding really good spots to join. So wait for this opening range to finish here.
Now I need to decide for a TP, which would probably be this here.
We're going long outside this Tokyo range. Best believe we're going to that New York high from yesterday. That would be a massive move for you if we got up there. 132 points. 4 ticks.
Okay, I got filled here too. Ready to get stopped out. No.
ES is holding up pretty good. It looks like it might get another push. That should drag NQ back up potentially. Let's see.
What I don't like is this candle, because it just took out the liquidity again, which makes this FU candle possible trap. But I just keep taking them. Overall, it's profitable with good risk management. Here you would have had an absolute banger. Oh, that's the one I took. I think I took this one here. See how beautiful this is. Oh, this is going to be a loss. I see it.
Yes, it's struggling at VWAP.
I guess it's forming a 5 minute FU now. It should be bearish. Not yet. Yeah, I should close actually. No, I just leave it. I let it run into stop loss or take profit. I don't change it. But if it forms a 7 minute short FU, then I'm just gonna go short. Very simple.
If it loses VWAP, I would just get out. I don't know if you have VWAP on your chart, but probably gonna melt if it gets below there.
Look, it's about to form a 7 minute bearish FU, so I would then just switch my bias.
And there goes VWAP. Yes, still holding up somehow. It's like strong. Well, it looks like it's going to push over here in a second. This closes under the 9.
Yeah, I see the short. Look, I was too aggressive. I closed this, boom, one loss. You see here, the break and retest below. So I'm now looking for shorts, but I don't enter just yet.
You got that little 1 minute trend line as well, and if that breaks to the downside on NAS.
No, this cannot be true. If I now,
it's gonna lose Tokyo low and just melt.
no, literally where I closed, it started going bullish. I cannot believe it. I thought it's gonna hit stop loss anyways, but yeah, and actually it formed a 2-minute FU short. This this would have been a very nice entry here. I just fuck up on stream.
You just what?
I just fuck up so bad on stream. Off stream, I kill it. You saw my executions. You know, I took this based off. No, this is unbelievable. Why did I close? Why the fuck did I close? This is ridiculous.
It's going back? Oh, it is a little bit.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait now patiently for the 7 minutes. I shouldn't have closed it. I should. This was so dumb.
Okay, we got a whole morning and ES just dumped. So I wouldn't be surprised if NAS dumps now. Massive sell on ES. Not massive, but just aggressive. It was like one really aggressive candle, and it's holding. It's not just buying back up. It's holding down pretty good. So I think you're gonna thank yourself once this falls. Oh, is it gonna get bought up? I mean, technically, we swept pre-market low. We're coming back down. If this creates a higher low, then yeah, we are gonna go up. If this low gets broke though, we're gonna see a melt here. Opening range just completed. So now we can gauge.
Man, it's so dumb. It missed my stop loss for literally nothing. But I think it's gonna go short anyways. Yeah.
Yeah, ES is breaking the low right here. Boom, just melted. Swept the low.
It must be a short FU candle somewhere. I just have to wait till this time.
What is happening? Crispy plays off the open. I'm waiting for this money. Unfortunate.
I'm gonna draw my original trade, which I completely fucked up. So here was my entry around here, and here was my stop loss. And I thought, oh, it's gonna hit it. And I think I'm not sure if I had a stop loss placed. Probably that's why I closed it manually, because I was like, oh, it hit it. So dumb.
Oh, it looks like it's gonna hit it. Are you in short or no?
No, I'm not in that trades.
Good. You should see the market either flip here in the next 10-20 minutes or dip.
Obviously now we have a short signal against a long signal, but I think it's more short than long.
Taking the sells from that sweep at the highs would have been, the ideal for the today.
Yeah.
Right off the open. I only had ES pulled up, and I really wanted it because NAS already had that Tokyo high sweep right off the open or pre-market. That was what right after you sold your position pre-market.
Yeah.
ES didn't have it, so obviously I'm going to be looking to take it on ES, not for NAS to do it again. It swept it twice. That was but now ES has swept the lows again. Typical Friday open action. Definitely got to just give it a little more time.
Yeah. Oh, I think it did something interesting. No, it was maybe the 2 minute. Yeah, it swept this. All right. If this closes bearish, I'm entering short. I have almost 2 minutes left. Take it off to 1 minute. So many traps here. Could take it off here. It's small risk.
NAS just bounced right off my little 1 minute trend line. If it breaks, it should. Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out again. So many traps. Yeah, man, I got stopped out 2 times already. How frustrating. Everything left you can was a trap. Trap, 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 trap.
Oh, we still haven't even.
This was not a trap.
Yeah, we haven't gotten out of the opening range, even just one wick or candle yet. Just I would say for a Friday, give it 15 minutes, and then you'll be able to read it more clearly, hopefully.
Yeah.
'Cause look at this, it's just a big blob.
With the short, I was very short now. Look at this. I was so short. Like we had this F you can. Well, it didn't close. Because it just took the low here actually. I didn't close below. Yeah, it's just a mess. And you have another bearish F you can leave. This is perfect because they made a bullish and then a bearish. I have to keep taking them.
I'm just waiting on that. Yep. Little patient Friday. We're gonna get the dub, bro. Trust. This is gonna be a good day. I can already tell. This market is about to give us some goodies. Right around 9 o'clock. Keep your eyes peeled for a reversal. Some sweep of the lows potentially.
Okay, we have an F you can. I just keep trading these F you cans. And it's always I'm gonna have.
Just if you can.
I
Honestly,
just take them.
yeah. I mean, I see the 5 looks pretty good.
I mean, sometimes, yeah, I have a low win rate, but I need to take them because if I miss the winner, then I'm at the loss.
I would love to see this market just go absolutely berserk to the downside. Only problem with AT on this. If we are going to go up, this is where it should go up right now.
So someone is asking in the chat why the prices are different than on NDX. That's just because it's the futures chart. They're slightly different, but don't ask me why. Oh, I need to close this WhatsApp. It's the loudest notification it was ever invented. And I've muted every single chat, but there always someone comes out of his hole and messages me. I've muted everything. Didn't even see a message now.
Yo, looks like your short's pushing. That's what I'm talking about. We broke that 1 minute trend line I was talking about.
And as always, I'm going to have another sell limit.
But we're about to tap the lows here. I like that. Keep pushing.
I hope it comes back up to trigger my other sell limit because otherwise I don't have enough size.
How do they do this? There it goes. Wow, the market just dumped. Beautiful. Did Nas go with it?
Yeah. So you see, I took 2 losses here on stream because I actually had 2 traps on all time frames. It was actually more traps, but I took this long. It was a trap. I took a short on another time frame, which was a trap, and I took the third, which it happened to be another trap, and didn't give me the opportunity to add more here. But I might do now after taking out this low. Who knows?
Yeah, the only thing I can see potentially happening is us bouncing off that London low for NQ and the New York low. What is this? Why I don't have this one? But the New York low for ES. A sweep of the New York low. But I don't know. I'm feeling I probability counted. It's been right every day this week. So or almost every day actually. Yesterday was the first
Oh,
day.
this is beautiful.
Yeah, it was super clean.
Oh, and someone said, I have backtested your EA from 2004 and it seems to blow around 2010. I have never tested from there. We have tested 5 years and it didn't blow. It's almost impossible to blow because the win rate is so high. So let me know, Carl, how much risk you used and how many losses it had in a row, because the maximum we saw in all backtests was 5 losses in a row. The maximum we saw in the live market was, I think, 2 losses. We never had more than 2. Also, the backtest is like the live trading results are much better than the backtest. And for the ones that have the bot, they should have all have a win on gold today, unless you're using a different broker.
The Raider report. Economic calendar, bro. I mean, not economic, the probabilities calendar is just almost dead accurate. It's ridiculous.
Spot on.
27% chance of closing green, and look at what we get. Just a melt off the open. Sustaining too. Oh yeah.
Okay, Carl, you say you used 1% risk and it blew. So how many losses did it have in a row? That's actually crazy. Because it would have had to lose so many trades in a row with 1% risk.
Yeah, wouldn't it need to lose 100 in a row?
Yeah. And it only takes like 2 or 3 trades per week.
That's crazy.
Now I'm obviously in this inner conflict. Should I go to break even? Should I add more? Should I leave it? I just leave it.
Yeah.
When it comes up, I even add more.
I mean, you don't have to listen to me, but when we start trending, the EMAs are your best friend.
Yeah, that's true.
The 9 EMA is your best friend on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. If we're trending, you can really tell we're trending like for an hour and a half. You use the 9 EMA on the 5 minute, and then you can usually just hold it all day because it'll never close below. But even the 1 minute works sometimes. But
sometimes we get these Fridays where it struggles at the beginning, but then once it breaks a level, it's just free fall.
Exactly.
And it comes too late.
Yeah. I'm going to send you a picture of that probability calendar.
Oh, Carl, you said you're backtesting with FTMO. Yeah, of course, FTMO is they have very high spreads compared to another like a normal broker. So obviously results are not going to be the same, but it shouldn't blow anyways. Yeah, I think it's gonna come back up and I'm gonna be in drawdown, but I just need to hold.
I just sent you the economic calendar.
Let me check.
Now that was a loud notification.
Yeah, these are even more loud.
So today's the 20th, Friday.
I'm literally silent everywhere. I have disabled all notifications still. It just keeps sounding.
That was an old screenshot.
It's the highest chance of the markets closing green historically.
That was the day that I told you on Wednesday. This is just an old screenshot. But if you look at today, the 20th, 28% chance of closing green. So hold on to those shorts, big dog. Hopefully. I could be wrong, but it could be wrong. But
Yeah, I mean the market can close better, but first it takes me out. I mean, that's the thing. You can have the bias right and still get stopped out.
Yeah, exactly. Just got to have that timing.
Everything is possible in the market. You can get fucked in so many different ways.
Yep. Wheelbarrow style, missionary style, reverse cowgirl style, doggy style.
Yeah, usually on Friday I get really smoked. So Friday is going to be entertainment. Mondays and Fridays is when I lose the most.
Just come in, come
Somehow,
check. Just kidding.
somehow I still keep trading on these days. I have a trading addiction.
I found out that Mondays are no bueno for me. I mean, the thing is, I've had beautiful Mondays, but if you just look at the statistics, majority, I struggle to find big trades on Mondays. So I decided to cut that day out. Fridays, I always end the week with bangers for the most part. Every once in a while, Fridays are tough, but the majority Fridays are good for me. There we go.
Do we have any news today?
No.
Okay.
We have a speaker like way later, a few hours.
Guys, not even one like. I made extra design for you. I'm streaming in higher quality, and you didn't give me a single like. That's unfair. Come on. It's unbelievable.
I'll go like your stream.
Oh, thank you.
Give you a thumbs up.
The quality is not so high, to be honest. I don't know why. Even though I have a new software streaming in high definition, but still, it's not. No, it's not the best quality. I also see that the stream is quite delayed. Yeah, I need to fix this one day.
No, that's just YouTube. It's always about 5 seconds delayed on YouTube.
Yeah, but here it seems like it's like almost a minute delayed.
Oh, damn. There you go. You got 7 thumbs up, boy.
Really, it shows 0 on my end. Let me.
It's just
Oh yeah, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. So I keep doing this for free.
if we push up to this EMA 5-minute reject, it's gonna be solid. Should see some more selling coming.
How can I increase the quality of this stream? Like, we have 2024 now. Apparently, people flew to the moon in 1969 with the technology from back then. And they communicated from the Earth to the moon. I don't know how many kilometers. And now in 2024, we're able to stream in high definition. I don't get it.
It's so true.
Either the moon landing was fake, or they're just hiding some technology here. Come on. On the next stream, I try if I can stream in 4K.
We're about to lose that low. One more big push and this thing's gone.
Are you in?
I've been in from the high.
But you sold the high, the top.
Not the exact top pre-market. We didn't get that high.
Ah, I see.
The retest of the Tokyo low. The high of today, basically, not the opening range high. Yeah, I've got zero. I've got 0 viewers on my channel, so
Yeah, but we have to keep putting in the work. It's really something.
Well, I also just don't have any trader engagement on social media, so I think I'm gonna like run an ad on YouTube / Instagram, try and get some people over here.
Yeah, man. Bro, you need to add your picture, your avatar. Take the picture that you took for the thumbnail. You can add it. It looks much cooler.
I don't know. Oh, I see. Here. Now I can see that. Okay. Edit the avatar. Boom. The thumbnail or just the picture itself?
Just the picture, like that shows here on my stream. Like I have my picture there.
Yeah, that shows my face. Hold on. I don't even know where that is. How'd you add the background? Pretty cool.
Oh, I can do this for you. It's easy. I did it with Canva.
We're off. We're off to the race. away. Let me add it.
Guys, I'm sorry for the notifications.
Oh, why it's not letting me use that photo?
Hmm.
Let's see, hold on. What the heck?
Oh, that's wrong. I did something wrong.
Yeah, my whole computer just froze.
Yeah, and I'm sure. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to fix this. Wait, I need to remove him and add him again. What did I do? Like this. I'm still. All right, he's back on it.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I don't know what you did, but my whole computer froze.
Oh, I hacked you. No.
I can't use my mouse. It's like, oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm back. That was
I
weird.
still don't have your picture. I need this.
I'm just gonna use this one because I, for some reason, can't get the other one to load. Oh, here we go. That works. Is it there now?
Let me check. Guys, sorry. I still keep getting these notifications here.
Well, ES lost the New York low from yesterday, so we're under it. Well, technically, we popped below it. If we can maintain below it, this thing's gonna. You're gonna be blessed. We're gonna be blessed. Everyone's gonna be blessed.
And no, man, it's not. It doesn't show your avatar.
I changed it, but hold on. Let me try it again. It kind of froze. Wait, edit avatar. Yeah, should be there. Showing that it's there on mine. Edit avatar. This avatar will be used when your camera's off. Yep. Why isn't it working? Is it because my stream's still connected to that program? That's why I think.
Really? Yeah, we need to figure it out.
That's why it has this logo. It's got the logo of that old program. I don't know. What is it called?
Ah, that's OBS. Yeah, that's why.
I need to turn that off. I don't know how to disconnect from this program.
Guys, remember how fast I got stopped out and how long it takes to hit TP? That's unbelievable.
Damn.
Come on.
Do you know how to disconnect from OBS?
No, not really. Well, we can figure it out next week. Every time we stream, it's going to be a little better than the previous time.
Yeah, I'll work on it later.
Also, I'm going to optimize this mask, this overlay, so it doesn't take so much of the screen. I'm going to adapt this. I'm taking notes. And in a few weeks, we're fucking #1 streamers.
Yeah, this thing's should let go here. The New York low. How low can you go? I do know one thing though.
Yeah, you see, we got this 1 hour short FU candle. So price has a high chance of coming up, taking out this wick on the next candle. That's why I'm just staying in this trade as it is. I don't think there's a high chance it takes out this high.
No, it's not going to go all the way back up. I doubt. I mean, that's very unlikely. Unless this sweep of this New York low is valid. But
yeah, that's true. But not because this 1 hour candle only just opened. Now it's starting to pull up again. I hate shorts.
Why?
Yeah, I'm just going to leave it as it is. I might have to move my stop loss above here, about the 1 hour high.
We're testing this EMA on the 5. If we rip past it, it's over. It's over. I want to see a candle closure though. I mean, technically, we ripped past it already.
Yeah, if I take another loss, it's going to be entertainment. If I have a win, then it's also possible.
Yeah, definitely close out if you made that back. But I'm gonna gauge it off this 9 on the 5. Let's see, what does this NAS look like? Yeah, NAS 2. 9 on the 5. 9 on the 5. Boom. Rejected it so clean on NAS. Now let's see if we can keep pushing. It literally went up to the 9 on the 5 minute on NAS and just tapped it and rejected straight back down. It is the best indicator in the world. If you don't use the 9, you're sleeping on yourself. You're throwing away profits. I know way too many traders that get in a winning trade and then they just close it out at like 10 points. And then it runs 30, 40, 50 points. And all they had to do is follow the 9 and they could have captured it. ES is still super bullish. Like this 5 minute is just closed the bullish engulfing. When NAS rejected all the way back down, it's so weird.
Yeah, but NAS, when this candle closes with this wick on top and the small body, then usually it just spikes up right after. I mean, if we cannot break this, then it's gonna. Oh, then I just have to.
Yeah, we need NAS right now because ES is looking like it's trying to take off here to the upside. But we are retesting the opening range low, the bottom of it. So that is another little area we could potentially reject. I love how weak NAS is. I'd rather NAS be weak because it'll drag ES down more than ES will drag NAS. Actually, I don't know about that. Potentially the other way around, but.
No, I don't like this. I feel like this candle's gonna fill it, but I'm mostly wrong, so I just let it play out, stop me out, or hit my target.
Yeah, if we break that low on NAS.
And this streaming software, it tells me your connection is not stable, but I have 500 megabits, so that's a problem.
It's saying mine or yours?
Mine. Yeah, but that's the thing. In certain countries, it has a lot of bandwidth, but it's just unstable.
Yeah,
sometimes. Yeah, that's probably why the stream is not as high quality, but it's gonna come step by step. Guys in the chat, are you in any trades? Did you take the sell? Are you waiting for your entry? Let me know.
Oh, I didn't realize I could see the chat on this streaming program. That's pretty dope. I was in the private chat. We got the comments here. Join the chat. I'm joining.
You're still in the trade. Very good, Carl. Hold it. I think you hopefully you missed my losses. Oh, and by the way, YouTube is telling me the connection is amazing, but the streaming program says it's bad. So what is going on?
Here we go. What's up? Let's go. Okay.
Give me a reverse porcupine.
Yeah. Man.
This is just unfair. Cannot watch this.
F you candle to the upside down.
Yeah, full against me. Like it doesn't have, like honestly, it's missing momentum. It doesn't have any real momentum to the downside. It's struggling so bad.
I think it's gonna pop up, go retest the opening range on NAS,
Yeah.
and then retest VWAP and probably reject VWAP on NAS and then dump.
Yeah, now we got a.
There's just not enough trapped buyers yet, or people stopped out that are selling. There's too many people on the sell side probably.
Yeah, now we have a 3-minute bullish FU probably here. It's gonna go up with 0 drawdown. I'm just much more a buyer than a seller. I'm not gonna close now. Wow.
You have your stop loss, or no, your. Oh, there we go. Right on VWAP, I would be careful. Is your stop loss at break even or just regular? I can't tell.
No, man, I didn't move it. I even have a sell limit higher because that's my plan.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, I like that too.
But obviously, guys, if I'm gonna lose this trade, then I call it a day. And I take another note, probably the 267th note. Don't trade on Fridays. I'm gonna ignore it. Next Friday, I'm gonna be streaming again.
I mean, the market did not at 910 sweep the lows, and now it's reversing. So this could. That's the only thing. Every single day I've noticed. I mean, for the longest time I've been trading, the 9 o'clock reversals, and it's kind of what it's doing. So.
But then also you see like how faster or how big the bullish candles are.
Yeah, they're very lackluster.
Yeah, it is what it is. Not every day is a smooth trade.
Yeah, we could just have a basing small day. Due to that big day yesterday, we might just have a basing candle today on the daily.
Because I'm a fan of trades that are very quick, like instant, no pullback. When you have the bias wrong, then you just get these moves.
Friday. What's this guy? That was so loud.
What was loud?
That order.
Oh, you went short or what?
Added one position.
You added. That's dangerous.
No, I like this area.
Yeah, you have the balls. When I add, this is the reversal point.
Fucker is screaming at me. Water filled. Oh.
But you're short or long?
I'm short.
Ah.
I'm on a short bus. And just let go of this 9. Hold. Just go.
By the way, are you using TraderWeight? Because on TraderWeight, when I place an order, it doesn't say order filled.
Yeah, that's TraderWeight.
Because on my TraderWeight, it just makes bing.
I wish. I mean, they're both kind of annoying. I wish I could turn it off. I don't know how. How do you turn it off?
Maybe that's an American thing.
Yeah, it would be nice. And there we go. That ad as of now works pretty good. We were testing that. So slow.
Yeah, guys, it's very unhealthy mentally when you watch these trends. I just do this because I'm on stream. Usually what I do is I place a trade, I set alerts, and then I do some work. Or I just trade on the 1 minute with like a lot of size, and then I'm in and out because like mentally it's so exhausting if you have to watch this. And also there's no point in watching. If you have decided to set your stop loss and take profit, then you leave it. And if you decide to go break even at a certain point, then obviously you have to set an alert and do this. But like we tend to just watch it as if we would help, but we usually only make it worse, or at least me.
100%.
Like when it comes back up, then I usually tend to close it, and then it continues.
Time also goes super slow when you watch it. But if you just walk away and let it do its thing, time just flies by. Next thing you know, your trade worked out great.
It's just hard to walk away because then it might hit your stop loss and you miss then the perfect entry. This is obviously also painful. Yeah, trading is always comes with a lot of mental pain. Even if you win, you're like, why didn't I use more? Why didn't I hold longer?
Engaging a trend day.
So let's measure this. We moved 4.7 pips down, and then we had a 14 or almost 15 pip pullback. Very weak trend that we get.
Yeah, we should get going.
It might be a day where really the trend gets faster and faster over time, because as of now it's just stalling.
Yeah, we need to see like couple of times this thing just let go. It lets go and just drops. Because then people start to give up on the buying. Like, all right, we're just catching a falling knife, not working.
Sometimes what happens is when it approaches one of my zones, it gets really, really slow. Then once it touches it, it just blasts through the zone. This is also possible.
Bro, the only thing I'm not liking is NQ. It's so disgusting.
Yeah. I mean, now we took out the slow. We went 2.5 pips down, so we probably have a pullback up to here. No, can't watch it.
That whole drop back down just created a higher low. So this could be it. This could be it.
Yeah, I might as well just leave my computer and let the stream run and set an alert.
I'm out. Just gonna call it. I don't like that we just created a lower or a higher low right there. Right after we swept New York low from yesterday, pushed up, pushed back down, created a higher low, and now we're pushing up for a higher high. Definitely switching directions.
But we didn't sweep it on NAS yet.
Yeah, we missed it by like a tick. But that's okay. When it happens on ES and it doesn't happen on NQ, it'll usually it'll still go, and it'll just one of them misses it. And that's why I like to watch both of them, because if one hits it and one doesn't, the other one gets left in the dust.
Yeah, but you see the trend is so weak. We literally, like, the pullbacks are so much stronger. Like I said, we had a move 3 pips down, and then we have 9 pip, almost 10 pip pullback. So the pullbacks are 3 times as big as the actual move, which is a bad sign so far.
Yeah, I just want to get a entry off the 50 period. We are going to go up just a little bit higher up.
And you know, before the session, I had this trade, and it was just going and going. It was before the New York Stock Exchange opened. It had much more volume. It was so beautiful. Even Asia moves better than this. It's just awesome.
Somehow Tokyo just goes in straight lines. It either drops completely sideways and doesn't move at all, or it just moves perfect.
And literally, and like New York Stock Exchange session is the most ugly session of all sessions.
Yeah, it's because so much manipulation. Market makers are here, stepping into every situation.
Okay, listen, this is much more bullish than it is bearish. I cannot.
Dude, we got a porcupine bottom right here on NAS.
Cannot take this anymore. Should I exit or not?
Yeah, just get out, bro.
No, it continues. Oh, I want to stick to my plan, but I cannot take this anymore.
I mean, your TP might get hit eventually, but it's going to lead to, I mean, the chances are kind of low because of how many wicks already. But if it does, it probably will hit and then rip up immediately, because that's going to be the New York low sweep.
Yeah, it took out this low. Now it's probably going to take out this high. We have 7 minutes left, and this candle, it's just...
It's hard to go long here too, though.
This looks horrible. Look at the rejection.
Look, fire.
The rejection is crazy.
It's rejecting the London low on NAS.
I just like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It's crazy.
Maybe once it breaks this wick, it's gonna absolutely dump, but it doesn't. Like now, it's most likely gonna form a bullish FU candle. Yeah, I might just have to exit because I cannot take this psychologically any longer. It's fucking dumb.
Go long.
Yeah, because if I move a break even, I get stopped out the break even 100%. Okay. I wait for the next candle to open. And then I close in full. Call it a day. But I have my sell limit here.
I'm gonna see if ES respects this VWAP. I might re-enter shorts. It's the only thing I could think of.
Fucking bullish.
Because I don't believe in these longs, dude. I really don't. I think it's a scam.
Okay. Now watch what happens if I close. Watch how it goes short probably.
Well, yeah, you're closing right as ES is hitting the VWAP, bro. You're gonna get smoked.
Okay, you know what? I'm just break even. Stop me at the break even. Do it now. I'm gonna make coffee now.
Might be saved by those lines on your chart. They might.
What a shitty trading day.
It's crazy slow. I mean, every time a massive day like yesterday happens, you should always expect the next daily candle to usually be like a basing candle. One of those like little, small consolidated candles.
Yeah, London was ugly. Was very ugly too.
Yeah, there's not much. I'm glad I'm basically flat on the day. I have a little bit in profit, but
Yeah, it's just a Friday as always. I might just only stream Tuesday.
stream, we're coming with bangers. We got we're doing this Apex challenge. We're gonna pass 5 Apex accounts at the same time, or 10. You're gonna do 10, Tim. I'm gonna do 5.
Are you gonna copy them all?
And I'm going to copy trade and just pass all 5 accounts in one trade.
Okay, I'm down. I do the
6
same.
contracts. Trading 6 contracts, I just need a 10-point move on ES, and I can pass all 6 or all 5 accounts. It's gonna be cake work. 10-point move. Do that all day, baby. It's actually crazy. If you lose, you still get another chance. I know if I get off right now, call it a day, the market's gonna just volume come out of nowhere. Damn, we got so close to where I wanted to click the sell button. Literally one tick before VWAP, and it just turned around. God dang it, man.
Yeah, but don't worry, it's not gonna leave. It just goes down 1 pip and goes up 10 pips.
Yeah, I could see. I know.
Like
It's just making a higher low on the 1 minute.
imagine me being long here, it would just go down.
Low key though, it's about to break to the downside. It looks like it's kind of forming a wedge.
Yeah.
A rising wedge on the 1 minute. I don't know about NAS. Let me see. But ES looks like it's going to break to the downside any second.
Yeah, NAS too.
Oh, breaks.
Breaking down to the downside after taking me out of break even.
Wait, you're out?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're saying that's what's going to happen. Yeah. If this pops back up, tags V up, I'm taking it. I am taking it. I'll even start a position right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the new 1 hour candle to open. It's gonna be probably the biggest move of this session. The next 1 hour candle.
I just realized the 1 hour bounced off the 50 period. So yeah, that's a good idea, honestly, to wait for that 1 hour, see where it closes, and then we can gauge where it's gonna head next for sure. I do like the 30-minute. That looks pretty good. Everything's looking pretty solid for sells. Like, definitely weakness.
And I guess once it breaks down, it's gonna absolutely dump, like much faster, much further than I thought.
That's what I'm thinking.
Huh?
That's what I'm thinking. I think it's gonna do that too.
So I'm gonna have my other TP here because I expect once it takes out the low of this zone, it's gonna go back up here. If the zone fails.
I want to add back in here, but I just have a feeling we're gonna go test VWAP first. I'm gonna look like an idiot adding at these lows. But if I miss that drop, I will be heated. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Getting impatient with this slow price action. It's putting me to sleep. Very interesting. Just realized, where's the 50? Oh, that's fine. Guess what's below that? Right here. Man, I missed my ad again. Or not really, actually. This is like perfect for a breakout of this trend line. This thing is gonna be down, bro. Come on.
Yeah, now I'm pretty sure it's gonna dump. I could actually add here. Should I?
I was going to, but I wanted to add at the top, not this bottom. The Nas looks like it's about to let go right here. So I'm gonna get in one, just one, and then I'm gonna add if it pulls back. Look at that. And right when I added it was gonna pull up. Oh boy. And there it goes. Okay.
You know the rule, guys. 1 pip down, 10 pips up.
Sounds like Halloween music.
I can change it. I can put on some side trends or what do I have here?
Nah, it's chill. I like it. Oh, there we go.
How's the music coming along? I have this is copyright free music that I've uploaded to the streaming platform. I can change it if you want. Let me know if you want different music. Let's see what I have. feed uh, feed ducks.
What?
Yeah, it's called like this. Man, these pullbacks are insane. I'm
I
gonna.
know, it's very frustrating to watch.
This is called feed ducks.
Can't
Dance.
this thing just let go, bro. Like, we just keep hitting these lows on NAS and just ripping back up. What is it doing?
It's just absolutely destroying my patience to the max.
Yeah, no, me too. I told you we're. Oh my God, you missed. You missed the New York low by one tick.
Yeah, I might just go and take a nap and not watch it.
Go and take a nap.
Yeah.
Do you sleep a lot? I feel like you're a sleeper.
No, man. I had. Um, I'm a very short sleeper. I had like 3 years where I slept maybe, or no, let's call it 2 years where I slept maybe 3 to 4 hours per night.
Damn.
It was not enough.
Yeah, that's not good.
Now I have um
Sleep apnea.
not have many problems. No, because I had so much stress and everything. I didn't sleep enough, and then the day where my Instagram got taken away, all of a sudden so much anxiety was gone. I felt so relieved, and I started sleeping so well because I didn't have to answer the messages anymore. Now I have it back, but I didn't answer any messages yet.
I got out, bro. I'm sick of this. I don't want to trade today. I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah.
Break even. Nah, I'm up like 2 points or a point on the day. It's gonna dump now for you. Get ready.
No, because it went down 1 pip, so it has to come back up like 200 pips.
I really just want to get a better entry. I wasn't happy with that. Like, that entry was just frustrating to watch because this thing's gonna rip up. Maybe it won't. Maybe I was wrong.
Ah, how's my music coming along? Ah, now I get it. Bro, listen, after so many years, finally I got a contract with one of the major record labels in the psytrance industry or in this I don't know how to pronounce this genre. I don't know. And it's going to be released, I think, on the 28th or 27th, 29th, something like this. At the end of the month, it's going to release by them. Boom! One TP hit.
This hit. Yep. And sweep. Back up.
So, chat, we hit at least one TP. Now I'm going to delete my sell limit. I have my stop loss at break even. Change this though. TJ, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now I just have to keep making. I had like a creativity hole the past 2 weeks, but I have like two more releases that I've already finished that will come up. So I have music for the next 3 months, but I'm going to create more, and hopefully I can then play next year on some big festivals, big psytrance festivals. I'd love to do this.
Unfortunately, man, I like it's too risky to take. So bad. It's all good, bro.
Let's fucking go.
There it is.
Yeah, man, message me on Instagram. Just give me some time. I'm the slowest responder.
This thing is going to win. It's going to drop again after this little pullback.
And now we should get free fall.
Yeah, ES still hasn't broke the low, but it should.
Boom, we got it right this time. Give me a W in the chat if you took it. No, but you didn't complain about the loss either, so leave it like this. But I took 2 hour loss on stream, but then also I took 2 hour win. If I would have closed in full, I didn't because I think it's gonna go lower. But if you close in full, bracket breaking. If you're holding, probably you're gonna end the day green.
This thing's going, bro. The second ES loses the low, breaks this low, whole market's gonna collapse. Hopefully. I'm still like skeptical about this daily can. Actually, it looks pretty solid now. Damn, it does look solid. It looks like we could just melt. Yep, all day.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, potentially like 50-point drop.
But look where we are. We're retesting the EMA on the 15 minute. The lowest is just the 200. Let me see. I think this is 200 on the 15 minute. Obviously, it's gonna go slightly below, but usually then it comes back up a lot. So
Yeah, on the 200, I don't have the 200 pulled up. Let me see. But the 200, I only gauged the 200 on the 1 minute time frame, not the 15.
because we're reacting here in this POI now. Yeah, if I would have had more contracts, I would close another one, just leave a small runner. But it is what it is now. I could actually move my take profit to here, because if it blows through the zone, it should go up all the way to here.
Yeah, we're below the 200 on the 1 minute. That's all that really matters to me. Below it on the 5 minute. This thing's gonna drop. Come on, baby. I'm not even in, and I want it to drop.
Yeah, do it for me. Pray for me.
Look out of that wedge that I drew out perfectly.
But thanks to this stream, I didn't do any stupid things here, because usually I would have gotten smoked in this porcupine wedge here.
Yeah, no. Sometimes it goes. The porcupine is created, and then it like fakes people out, and then just goes the direction of the wicks. I've seen that happen a lot lately. The porcupine.
Is there a porcupine emoji?
Yeah, I think so. Porcupine. Is there? Maybe not.
No, but I can show it in another way. I'm gonna max out the streaming software now. I don't even know how to write. Is it with CK or K? Porky. Oh, now I see it. Oh, it's so sweet.
They have it?
Yeah, I'm gonna show it now, just a bit.
Put it on the chart.
Guys, I'm gonna show you what we trade. How can I add an image here? Let me see. Probably I can't. Present. Huh. To be honest, I don't know how to add a picture here.
You can just add. You can add emojis on the chart using the emoji on TradingView.
Yeah, but I don't find the porcupine.
Oh.
No, probably I can just show another screen. No, I can't, man. I can't. I don't know how to present. Oh, I know how. I think I can show you slides. Let me know in the chat if you took partials on the sell, if you're not in, or if you closed it in full. Let me know. I want to know. Okay, now I think we can.
Bro, I just wanted a better entry. That's all I wanted. And it just dump. I mean, it's not even a dump, really. Like, it came down, but 10 points. Original position would have been 22 points. It's not that much. Surprised. This market is just super slow still. But maybe we give it to the end of the day. Oh my goodness. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, I forgot I was sharing your screen. Oops. On my YouTube.
It doesn't work. Struggling here.
Yeah, I like the way that I have this set up now. I got charts, YouTube. I like this platform for sure for streaming that you're using.
Here it is. That's a porcupine.
It literally just a ton of wicks.
Yeah, these are the wicks. And it depends in which direction the wicks go. If it's down, more to the downside, or more to the upside. Exactly. That's our setup. Here we go.
That 9 EMA, baby. I'm just gonna trade this breakout. I'm anticipating. I'll wait. I'm gonna wait for a pullback to join, but I definitely want to join these shorts. Is it gonna be too late for me to join?
Mm-hmm.
This thing just keeps going. But
Now, for me, it's just about getting back to break even after my 2 losses. I'm gonna document them, and it is what it is. It's just
gonna add off the 1 minute EMA touch. We get that. Right here. Actually, even the New York low, that was perfect. Wow.
Yeah, I want to support you mentally on the next one when you want to exit. I'm gonna teach you.
It wasn't even like, it was more of me just trying to get a better entry. Like,
Yeah.
I thought these pullbacks, they kept happening, these pullbacks, and now they just stopped happening. It just keeps going down with like very tiny pullbacks.
But remember, I was about to close here, exactly here. I was like, okay, if this candle closes bullish and the next one is bullish, I'm going to close. But I couldn't. I didn't close. I was so close to pushing, clicking the button, and then I didn't. And look what happened from there. It literally reversed.
Yep.
Them diamond hands.
If this thing does decide to pick up volume anytime today and start dumping, we got 50 points to the downside on ES. That's like 200-300 on ES. We got a lot of time left. We could still do this. Very easily. Very easily. Okay.
Carl, if you're still here, let me know if you're still holding.
Oh, we're holding. Horrible entry though. I tried to get it on the EMA touch. It was so bad. I got it so delayed. Oh, that's okay. I believe in the shorts. If we close above this 9, I'm out. No biggie.
I'm going for 5 minutes. Going to make coffee.
That's what I need to do too. But I'll wait till you get back. One more touch. I want to give a better entry, not a worse entry. Come on. It's a tough one. Either way, we got room. So it should go. Oh my god, it missed my entry by 1 tick. Son of a gun. Tap it. There it is. What? There it is. Delayed. Instant selling. There you go. Missing. Now we're gonna get a pullback or a push up potentially. This might be it. Right when I enter, of course. God damn it. Missed every single entry today, except for this. Nas looks good to the downside. It just keeps going. Need to send a pickup. Come on, baby. Get some momentum. Free fall Friday. Free fall Friday. Come on. Damn. This is aggressive.
All right, I'm back.
Still in the same spot.
Yeah. Actually, the new 1 hour candle opened 9 minutes ago.
Oh, that's not good. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Pull back. Maybe not. It looks like this one might just dump, honestly.
Yeah, because the rejection was fairly small here to the upside.
Only thing.
Obviously, my target is exaggerated. My TP2 is always absolutely exaggerated.
Nah, that's not exaggerated. We could hit that easy.
It's just very unlikely that it's going to happen on stream while I'm here on the computer. I might just do something else. I can keep streaming. Yeah, let me go through all the messages now. And it just came to mind before the stream. I think I said it's going to come up here and take out these highs, and then we can go short. Or, oh yeah, I think I have it marked up here. No, I cannot find it anymore. I need to watch it in this. Like I made it transparent. Is it here?
You remember what I said pre-market?
Yeah, but I didn't really understand it. I was not okay. This was option 1. Where's option 2? I have drawn this somewhere.
I said exactly what happened.
Here it is. I made it invisible. Now make it visible. Yeah, bro. I need to understand your Tokyo bounce play.
No, I wasn't. That was for if we were going long. I wanted a Tokyo bounce play, but I said for the shorts, we're gonna take out the highs, and then take out those Tokyo highs or pre-market highs, and then dump from there.
Yeah, and you see, this is what I anticipated. Either it goes first to the zone and bounces here, or it goes up here. I just took this higher. I thought, yeah, I'm going to trade a small breakout from here, the manipulation, and then go short, which was a massive mistake. I should have just kept my bias because this was my short version.
My short entry was literally the high a day.
Now it's so fast all of a sudden. I think we're going to actually smash this
I
TP.
told you, bro. If this thing lets go, we're going 50 points today. Like
Also here we have this FU candle 15-minute. This is a very, very reactive zone.
okay, look at the daily. Oh, potentially the only area other than all the way back down would be the 50%. If you use the fib on the daily candle, just 50% retracement of the whole candle, which is actually right where we are right now. We're at the 50% mark.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go for this wick here.
Damn, we're sitting right on the 50. We got to break. If we break this level right here, we're gonna flush.
Yeah, we might. I mean, it could actually engulf the daily candle. That's possible on a Friday. But I'm gonna play it smart or safe.
I'm not. I'm playing it risky. I'm adding 2 more. Yo, this thing's about to let go right here. See ya. Come on. One more 10-point drop.
Yeah, give it to me, baby. Give it to me.
There it goes.
Boom! We hit TP. And even if you took 2 losses, you should be at break even or profit now. So we didn't lose on a Friday, and now probably it's gonna fucking flush.
Yep. There it goes.
Here we go, baby. Oh, but it's amazing. We had the TP today. I'm very proud.
Good job.
And everyone who held this trade during this whole porcupine build up here, which turned me in. It drove me insane here.
Yeah, that was a very frustrating time. If this 1 minute candle maintains these lows, we're gonna just next 1 minute should dump again. No wicks, no wicks. We got this.
So now, don't. I don't want to shock you, but I'm going to show my executions now. Today they're very, very ugly. Oops. So this was pre-market. I killed it on this one. And here I had a good amount of contracts. Then I was like, okay, now let's do the same on stream. I came, boom, lost. I had 2 entries here, which then got stopped out. Then I went short, got stopped out again. But then I went again short here. Yeah.
But you see where you lost, like what the market was doing. It was the first 15 minutes. Like that's common. You know, it's not the fake. That's where all the fake outs occur. So you can't discourage anything about that.
Yeah,
it's just the fact that you tried to trade it.
Yeah, exactly. Next time I just don't trade this part of the day.
Yep. Solid. Solid.
Like now, at least I'm at the point where I can say, okay, you know what? I'm going to trade. If I lose, I lose, even if everyone sees it. But like this, especially when you watch me, I learn a lot, you know, because you see my mistakes and I see your mistakes.
Exactly.
I'm going to teach you diamond hands, and you're going to teach me not clicking the button when I shouldn't.
No, I'm good at diamond hands. I can hold trades, but the thing that I've been, my biggest flaw lately has been exiting like way too quick, and then it goes my way.
Yeah.
Because I have my new method of trading is just like momentum, and if I don't see that momentum, I just get out of break even, and then it ends up biting me in the ass on half the trades. Well, there's 10 points for me on ES. So just that move alone, that would have passed all 5 Apex accounts. 10 points.
From this breakout here.
I literally got in. Look at my screen. I'll share my screen. I got in, and there's literally no drawdown on this. Just went straight.
Yeah, here was an FU candle at 3 minutes. It was the perfect trade. And geez, now it's just dumping. I could have made more, definitely.
What did I say?
Yeah, share your screen. I want to show it.
Present, share screen. So obviously this is a very low entry. I had an entry up here, got out, and then it dumped. But I got in on this retest of the 9 on, was the 1 minute? Yeah, right here. It pulled back on this candle, and then I got in.
But that's ES.
Yes.
Now, can you do me a favor and go to the 3 minute? Let's see if we have an FU candle there too.
I don't even know what the 3 minute. Oh, I didn't even realize it's right there.
Yes, we had one, but it doesn't show.
It will. Just give it a sec to load.
I think it's not sensitive enough.
Yeah, sometimes it lags on mine. I don't know why.
No, just go to the settings. Unless you need to close the position now. Go to settings of the FU candle indicator. Now you go to lick grab in pips, then you put it on 0.01. It's on the very top. The first setting here, just change the.
Oh shit.
0.01. And then, and now go the I found the setting. I know why. There where it's 15, put 1 pip. No, why doesn't it work? That's unbelievable. Maybe you have to call us wrong.
Mine just, I don't know. Maybe it's because it's on this one. Sometimes one side works and one doesn't. It's charts. I don't know.
Yeah, it must be the size of something.
No, they're on. Yeah, 'cause they're showing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. In this case, the liquidity grab was not big enough, so it didn't take out enough of the wick. But on NAS, it did.
We are pushing. Might get stopped at break even on this. Dear Lord. That is a big wick. Yeah, this is done. This thing's ripping up.
Yeah, look where it reacted.
I don't even have any levels. That's why I'm like, why is this thing reversing here?
Because of this. Here I said here's the zone with these FU-cans. Probably it's going to react somewhere here. It doesn't mean it's going to continue up here or reverse from here. It can just be a pullback up to here and then go lower.
Yeah. Yep. The struggle of getting low entries. Stops at break even.
Man, as long as you don't lose.
Yeah. Thanks. I like these two small candles. Oh, right when I said that, it exploded. I like when I see that buying pressure die out, which it kind of is. We can close like this on the 1 minute. Come on. Die out. Do not push up. Got this. Go around and drop. It's the longest 1 minute candle ever.
But I thought when you said that's a 10-point move, I thought you exited.
Nah. Now I'm out. Oh, boy. So ridiculous.
Yeah, I think it's going to take out this high here.
Dude. Second I get out of bounce. How do I top ticket that perfectly? That penny. I'm probably gonna go back down now. I wouldn't mind getting back in on this 5 minute EMA. Let's do 5. There we go. Yeah. It's 7:45. It's literally my exit and my entry. And now let's go. I think this is the start of a trend. I think we're gonna continue. It's just gonna be a steady trend. Yet again, I don't know what is going on. Like, why am I exiting early? I exited before my stop loss even hit. Like, what am I doing?
Yeah, I do this all the time.
I'm just like being weird. I never do this shit. Gotta focus, bro, on what I'm doing. Why I'm doing it.
But you didn't lose, right?
Nope, I won 1 point. You're still in?
No, it hit my TP. I didn't on the second one. I didn't have the chance to enter it more contracts, and then I just only had 2 exits. That was the problem. But on my losses, I got obviously because that's the problem in my strategy, by the way. My strategy is once I get my setup, I have my entry candle. I always enter one at the close of the candle and then the second, um, either at a 50% retracement of the body of the FU candle, or if it's with a long wick, then above the wick here. But the thing is, when I'm right with the setup, then oftentimes it doesn't come back. So I tend to have only half the size on my wins and double the size on my losses, because when I have a loss, obviously it comes up all the way and I add more entries. So that's something I need to change on my strategy.
Mm-hmm.
But obviously my risk reward ratio is much bigger on my wins. But yeah, that's something I didn't find a good solution for it. So I'm usually bigger, I have more size on my losses than on my wins.
I like the way that this is dying out here. I think we're gonna get another drop. I like to see it tap this EMA. Come on. Bro, you're kidding me. Just tap it.
So my learning for the day is don't trade the first 15 minutes of the NYC Open. Very simple.
Especially on a Friday. Fridays are ridiculous. No way, bro. 2 ticks away from my entry. Come on. Tag it. Once it hits that 5 minute, it's gonna dump. I have a feeling. That's why I'm entering. Just tag it. Oh my god. How many times are you gonna do this? This is the most patient game I've ever had to play with this market.
Regarding patience, I remember Don Vo. I used to watch him. He was a great streamer. He one time, like he usually had 10 pip stop loss, five no 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 5 to 10 pip take profit, and 100 to 150 pip stop loss. So very negative risk reward ratio. In one time he entered, it was about taking a breakout trade, and it just reversed, and it was before FOMC. It was in the morning for FOMC. And then obviously because he had such a huge stop loss, he was just holding this trade for hours and hours and hours. And eventually, like he started streaming, it was on gold. The stream started like 7 or so, or 7:30, something like this. and he took this trade, and he was holding this trade and on the stream without eating for, I think, 3 p.m., something like this. Eventually, he got out with like 2 pips profit. That's patience.
Without eating.
He was like, and he had a 30 lot buy, so he was like in 30, I think 34,000 drawdown. And then right before stop loss, he added one more position, another 30 lots, and like this, then he got out.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind being patient when I'm in a trade, and when it's playing out, obviously, we'll let it do its thing. But when it starts fucking with me, not when I'm trying to find an entry, trying to be patient, that's frustrating. Like right now, trying to get this one tick higher to get this entry. And trying to figure out what this daily wants to do. Like, what is this? It's gold. Where does price want to go? Down here. There we go. I'm entering 1. I'm entering 2 right here. I'm entering 3. If this thing dumps. You know what? I'm actually gonna add 2. Don't leave without me. We're adding 3 up there actually. I like this a lot, bro. Dump back down. Oh, this thing's about to go. And there it goes. Right back. Now, I'm skeptical these dips are getting bought up. Not my favorite thing to see. It's just tough, man. Can't think clearly right now. No, yeah, everything that's happening.
Where's this noise coming from?
I don't know. Not me.
It's not you. Well, I'm gonna mute you for a bit.
Yeah, it's coming from you, I think.
Yeah. But why? Boom. Oh, this streaming software is amazing. Now I just suppressed background noise. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah, bro, I think we have to call it a day now. It's gonna go long for some time.
Yeah, now we're getting an FU candle on.
I'm not gonna go long now, but you see, it just made sense that it reacted. I mean, overall, it was in this zone that I said, in this daily fair value gap. I'm not gonna draw it again. And then in this daily fair value gap, we had an FU candle, and we had all these wicks. That's the on the 50-minute. You see better. That's why I closed my trade earlier, because I had moved my take profit here, but then I saw this and I thought, okay, when it takes out this week, there's a high chance it's going to react from here. And it would have probably been the perfect long entry. Doesn't mean it's going to continue forever, but yeah. Look, this precision here. I just got out here. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it a day. Next time we make it a little bit better.
Thank God I canceled my ads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you see how much faster this move was. Like,
Now we're hitting the New York low though. Still gonna look for something short stuff. I'm gonna look for failed momentum to the upside. If I can spot any type of failing to move higher, I'll look to join the shorts.
I'm gonna watch it for a bit now. I said it's most likely gonna take out this high here. Let's see how it reacts.
Boom. Boom.
Now that's an imaginary trade. Not yet.
This is the area.
No.
Short.
And this would be my other imaginary long here. Okay, I changed the overlay so it takes less space. That's better. And gold is just making another all-time high. It's unbelievable how bullish this is. Spencer, I'm gonna call it a day.
All right, bro. I'm gonna stay on.
All right.
Trying to get 10 pointer.
And send me a message once you're done.
All right, I will. I'll send you a picture of the winner.
Perfect. I believe in you. So thanks, guys, for watching. Please leave a like and see you in the next stream. I'm not sure if I'm going to stream on Monday, but Tuesday for sure. Have a nice weekend and bye-bye.
Later, bro.